Rickey Smiley tries to convince Trick Daddy to buy a yacht.
We going to the Bahamas, man.
Look, bro. That man got all the seasonings. Look.
We got to get him some Sundays in there. He got everything.
Yeah, I told about that.
Got to get him some Sundays in there. Come on, man.
I season everything with the Sunday.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. We finna go to the Bahamas, man.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Me and Ricky off the chain. Let me go f with Ricky right quick. Cody, what they do? Shay, what going on, Shay? What going on? Anything y'all wanna do in life is possible. The pandemic ain't make us weak, it made us stronger. There's a lot of successful people, a lot of black successful people that's making some good money, that's living good, but unfortunately we going to Bell Harbor and all the, and I say we, so don't think I'm talking about nobody without talking about myself. We're going to Bell Harbor, spending all our money on this with these rich people. That's why we ain't gonna never have. Rickey Smiley just taught me into buying a boat, y'all. So y'all know what it's gonna be. Hey, you Scott. Y'all know what it's gonna be. Yacht life from now on, man. In order to get older, you have to live a long time. I want to meet you too, Casey. Hey, it's a fishing meal. Shout out to Cleveland, Ohio. Listen, man, you could be whatever the you want to be if you put your mind to it. It's all you ain't nothing to it but to do it. You can live whatever life you want to live. Right now, we living a yacht life. We're Hollover right now, out in the middle of the ocean, by the mansions. Yeah, I said it, the mansions. Look at God. Listen, man, through God, anything is possible, man. Yeah.
I rolled up there while we was on the ocean. You would love that.
I've done it before, but no, my heart ain't that good. Nephew, if you look cap or big cap, what you gonna do?
About what?
About the ocean.
Hitting the water?
Yeah.
Well, y'all trying to swim?
You finna get that. Come on.
Y'all serious?
We ain't gotta stop to hit the ocean. In the ocean, we'll go back and get you.
Hell no. You swimming?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, yeah. That's what we do. They're gonna come in the shower.
Yeah.
It's all salt water off
Yeah.
there. That has still about 3 feet, bro. Man, he done put charges under his seat.
Man, this the other sandbar I was trying to tell the man to go to in the other boat.
Hollover.
Yeah, but he went to the other sandbar.
This thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I know all.
It don't take long. You been down here for pretty long.
All these down here, bro.
Ain't nothing like that.
Nothing. Do radio and do this.
That's it.
Go back, do radio and do this.
And the only bad part about radio is waking up for me.
I think bed.
I
8:30 CBD on.
I can't go to bed. I got sleep apnea and I got lupus. Sometimes I go to sleep at 2. And
I
then
don't know a rapper that go to bed early.
And then I be on that stuff.
Yeah. You got Brett be struggling too.
I can't get it. I can't get it, man. And I can't sleep long. Somebody told me about melatonin.
It works.
It worked, but will I be able to get up?
Yeah.
Oh,
It don't make you feel groggy.
it just lets you go to sleep.
It don't make you go to sleep, but when you do go to sleep, it keeps you sleep. It keeps you from waking up.
Okay, but then Law and Order Special Victim Unit come on at
Boy,
1.
that bitch. Well, hear what you think about. Hear what you want to think about.
Hear what
Do the motherfucking radio the right way. You talking about 7, 8 million a year.
Yeah.
Well, there ain't no motherfucking way. You know what I'm saying? So, and with Big Mac on that shouldn't be syndicated.
Right.
That's where the money come in, but it takes discipline. You know what I'm saying?
You heard that? Y'all hear that? We need to be syndicated. I need to be syndicated. You hear that? You living a yacht life right now.
All y'all need to do, how many people on here? What's up, y'all? All you need to do is do some prank phone calls, call some folks, get cussed out, do a little down.
I'm sick of y'all.
Look at this. You know they got a jet ski. You know they got a jet ski club here.
What?
A jet ski club, black dude.
Oh, yeah.
And they ride them to the Bahamas.
You know, all my boys got skis.
You know, Barrett, you know, I be rolling with all them.
It's a great city and a great state, man. It's a good place to come and get pregnant at.
Florida, Florida has become my second home. So I'm just happy to be here.
Y'all see what kind of, you see what kind of, I don't want y'all, nobody to get it twisted. That's not my flag.
Hey, Rick, come on, Gina. What is some of that flag there, Gina? Long Tide Road. You got darn right. You got darn right.
Somebody ask them.
I'm riding in my truck on a Tuesday night down the club trying to start a fight. My name is Buford. I'm from Alabaster. I'm a low down road soon fat white roadside. Goddamn right. I'm an Alabama fan for the rest of my life. I'm the man. My name is Buford, y'all. I'm the goddamn king at the Truckers Ball roadside.
Hey, man, stupid. That's right, baby. They're you. They're you. I'm gonna be honest with you. Somebody gonna get whooped.
I ain't gonna get
Well, where you at? One of my hogs take a second.
I got my home.
Shut up.
Shut up. Shut your ass up.
That's the Coast Guard making that boat rock like this.
Yeah, cause he the only one can ride fast like that in here.
Right.
Something must be wrong if he going somewhere. He just did it.
If someone wrong, he would have had the lights on. Y'all having fun, man?
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.